Good morning, beautiful soul. Today's a new day, a new opportunity, a new chance to experience this beautiful thing we call life. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. Feel yourself in this body. Feel the air fill your lungs. Tune into the experiences that your body feels after waking up. Allow your breathing to be soft, natural, but with full awareness. Notice how your heart beats on its own. Notice how safe you are, how comfortable you are, how protected you are. The universe is protecting you. The universe is giving you shelter. And the universe is giving you a new chance to experience this new day. As you continue to breathe in and you continue to breathe out, keep your awareness within your perfect body, your perfect mind. Think about how lucky you are to have waking up today, the blessing that it is, and the chances that you get. How fortunate you are. As you feel calm and collected, think about one thing that you look forward to the most today. Nothing is too small, and nothing is too big to feel grateful for. Think about what excites you about your day. Think about what opportunities you have to make this day special. Continue breathing as you focus on that which makes you feel grateful, which makes you feel blessed, which makes you feel happy, which makes you feel at peace. With your eyes remaining closed, shift your attention to the center of your eyebrows, your third eye. Feel the power of your intelligence, of your strengths, of your capabilities. Feel the energy from your third eye radiating all around your body and creating an aura for you. You are powerful. You are intelligent. You are smart. You are kind. You are beautiful. Remind yourself of any other positive characteristics that you could think about yourself. Now remind yourself that there's nothing in this world that you can't handle. There's nothing in this world that you can't do. There's nothing that you can't accomplish if you set your mind to it. You are powerful. You are smart. And most importantly, you're blessed. Blessed to have a chance to experience today. As you feel the power from these self-affirmations, slowly rotate your ankles. Slowly rotate your wrist. Slowly bring your awareness away from your third eye and back into the total being of your body. This is your day. It's for you to control. It's for you to conquer. Thank you.